The governments and other social institutions and business organizations and other systems are increasingly asking for creativity and innovation in whatever. But it seems that the focus is more and more on some kind of new product generation, some kind of new things by which economy can be improved. That seems to be the only focus of creativity and innovation. But there is no creativity, innovation focus on the basic life requirements of people. I have a suggestion to improve the general quality of life. That is, instead of the current monthly payment, the schedule can be changed to a tri-monthly payment. Because I realize that the working class people, perhaps at all levels, from the lower level even to the top managers and even leaders, they are finding it extremely difficult to manage their life because of the infrequent or random payments they have to make for managing their survival sustenance, their families. When monthly payment salaries are given, the recipients have to pay the monthly bills also, for which, again, by the system pressure, they don't get the time. The paying systems run by the conventional ancient schedule, and all systems work like that. So people have to sometimes even act so-called unethically to get out of their working places to pay the bills. Now there are so many bills: mobile phone bills, internet bills, monthly rents or electricity bills or water bills, then payment to the grocery and other shops. So many payments. When do they get the time to do that? Finally, there is a Sunday, and most of these establishments again follow the conventional primitive norm. Sundays are holidays for most of the shops and other institutions. And governments and other systems, every system is trying to control people, regulate people for their own blind basis. For example, government is insisting on or putting some value on postpaid on mobile phones, which makes individuals sort of compelled to go and pay the bill. So people in towns and cities and other satellite towns, I think, are living in extreme complexity and anxiety and panic, making their life sort of very slave-like, not even slave-like, absolutely in confusion and chaos, not able to enjoy or feel happy about the way they live. That has to be changed. Otherwise, there is no point in human progress.